Hey, thanks for tuning in to another tasting experience with Key. Hi. All right, big shout out to Blackjack Portables for providing today's content. All right, this is what we got from Rowley's Red Barn. This is their strawberry jelly. Not a jelly person. I like jam, but we're gonna try it. All right, and this is very simple ingredients. These guys are out of Utah. It's simple ingredients. It's strawberry juice, pure sugar, natural fruit pectin, and citric acid. All right, that's it. Four ingredients. Pretty natural stuff. Got good coloring on here. So let's see. Let me take off the cellophane. There we go. We busted it open. Bust down, bust down. All right. There we go. Got it. Nice and easy. Ooh. This smells good. It smells like strawberry compote. It goes on top of strawberry cheesecake. I mean, strawberry shortcakes. This is definitely what you would put on strawberry shortcake. I would use this in cheesecake. It smells like Smucker's jam, the strawberry seedless jam. It smells just like it. I mean, it's all strawberry, but you know, some things just don't smell right. That's what it smells right. But here we go. We're going to get in here and get ourselves a nice little taste. All right. It's definitely jelly because jam works better, but yeah, it breaks apart just like jelly, and I'm okay with that. Nice, good amount. Oh, that's nice. That's clean. Straight up strawberries, right? A little bit of sugar. Not too sweet. It's sweet, but it's not like, it's not overbearing. Oh, that is nice. I'm not gonna lie, you can just straight up just eat this as a snack. This is good. Oh yeah, I want to go make a sandwich, but again, I like jam, but this jelly is fire. I'll find other uses for it, like in desserts, toppings. You know what I mean? Like, liquefy it just a little bit so I can work with it. For me, jelly is just real hard as a spreading substance, but this flavor profile is fire. Yeah, you can just straight up just eat it as is. Use it as toppings, mix it in stuff. However you like to put your strawberries with it. Yeah, this will work. I wonder, like, if you dip it, like if you heat it up and turn it, like, get it real liquidy, use it as dip on stuff. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this would taste really good with bananas. You know what I mean? Like, melt it a little bit and just pour it over bananas. That'll work. It's a good flavor profile. I actually like the simplicity of it, and I wish more companies would do simple ingredients because with just four ingredients, the star of the show is the sugar and the strawberry. The other things aren't necessary. The other things are just secondary, right? The pectin is what makes the gelatin situation happen. So we know what that is. But the strawberries are there. It feels like I'm tasting the seeds. Like it's got that earth tone to it. So I know that's a lot from one bite, but that's how flavorful it is. So definitely check them out. Highly recommend it. And until next time, guys, cheers.